In the world of power tools, DeWalt is a go-to brand known for its durability and performance that caters to both professionals and demanding DIYers. Today, we're focusing on a hammer drill that's been getting a lot of buzz, the DeWalt DCD795. A model that combines power, precision, and versatility, designed to drill and drive screws into various materials with great efficiency. The link is in the description if you want to learn more. Right out of the box, the DeWalt DCD795 displays a robust construction with neat finishes. Its compact and balanced design makes it easy to handle, even during prolonged use. The ergonomic handle covered with an effective grip ensures a comfortable and secure hold. Weighing in at 1.62 kilograms without the battery, it's still reasonable for a machine of this power, even though it's a bit heavier than some competitors, like the Bosch Professional GSB18V55. Its 13mm self-locking metal chuck ensures a good grip on bits and drill bits, while allowing for quick and secure changes. There's also a built-in LED, although its brightness is lower than that of some of the brand's newer models. This drill is equipped with a brushless motor, which means less maintenance, better energy efficiency, and increased longevity. Running on 18V XR batteries, it delivers a power of 360 W and offers 2 speed settings with a range of 600 to 2000 revolutions per minute, allowing you to adjust the speed based on the material you're working with. Its torque reaches 60 nanometers, which places it among the most powerful models in its category. The hammer function delivers a rate of 34,000 blows per minute, perfect for drilling into concrete or brick. Finally, it has 15 torque settings, allowing for precise screwing tailored to the specific needs of each project. Thanks to its metal gearing, it ensures optimal power transmission, guaranteeing increased longevity and resistance against the most demanding tasks. The absence of carbon in its motor reduces wear, which helps improve energy efficiency and maximize battery life. Its 13mm self-locking metal chuck can accommodate larger drill bits and attachments, while ensuring a firm grip. With its XR system, the battery has a charge indicator, so you won't get any nasty surprises while you're working. In action, the DeWalt DCD795. It stands out with its impressive performance. Whether it's driving long screws effortlessly or drilling into hardwood, metal, or even concrete, it proves to be extremely effective. Its variable speed control allows for precise handling, preventing damage to delicate materials. In 2 tests, it showed excellent endurance, managing to drill 60 holes in oak with a 2-inch battery, before needing a recharge. In hammer mode, it stands out with impressive speed, easily drilling through concrete blocks and bricks without slowing down. It's especially appreciated for its balance between power and maneuverability, making work enjoyable, even on long job sites. Its motor is quieter compared to other similar models, making it a pleasant tool to use both indoors and outdoors. Switching between the screw driving, drilling, and hammer modes is easy, which helps boost productivity without wasting time. The only small downside is that there's a slight play in the battery attachment, but it doesn't affect the overall performance. Compared to other models on the market, the DeWalt DCD795. It directly competes with the Bosch Professional GSB18V55. The latter is slightly more compact and lighter. DeWalt makes up for this with a higher torque and better efficiency in hammer mode. Compared to a Makita of the same category, the DeWalt offers comparable power, while being more accessible in terms of price. We just wish it had an auxiliary handle, which would have provided better support during demanding tasks. In summary, the DeWalt DCD795 is an extremely high-performing hammer drill, combining power, ergonomics, and versatility. Its brushless motor, decent battery life, and ability to adapt to different materials make it an ideal choice for both professionals and regular DIYers. With an excellent price-to-quality ratio and performance that ranks it among the best in its category, it's a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and durable tool. The link is in the description. If you want to get it, don't hesitate. Each clip that is purchased via this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Also, feel free to leave a comment to give your impressions. Don't forget to like the video and, of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product presentations. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.